In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the proudly created with Wix on your Wix website. So you can see what it looks like over here. So all I need to do in order to get rid of it is sign into your Wix account, go to your backend, to your dashboard from your site, click on site actions, then edit site, which will send you over to the Wix website editor, where you can go and scroll all the way down until you find it. You want to select it. Click on edit text, and then right there you want to select it, backspace, and there we go. So if you then click save, you'll see that it's actually gone. So yeah, it's not that hard. I just tried and keep this straightforward. So if you appreciate that, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.